well, chaotic journey. It took me like an hour to get here on the bus. And I had to ask like 3 times. He's like, Grand Bay. I'm like, Goodlands. I'm going to Goodlands. Anyway, guys, this is Coeur de Ville Goodlands. Yeah, I've never actually been here. I was going to go all the way through to the new market, but I chickened out. Oh, it looks pretty cool. Got the body and soul, island haze. It's beautifully air conditioned. It's got labels that say ATM. Quicksilver, of course. Wow, amazing. Could have seriously used this when we lived in Goodlands. I mean, there's even McDonald's. We always said McDonald's would do so well in Goodlands, and here it is. Mississippi fried chicken. It's a massive food court. I mean, it's really massive. Something's going down. It's got a vibe. Okay, there's even more shops out here. I was following the sign for the ATM because I still need to activate my card. And I don't live anywhere near an ATM, so I thought I may as well combine it on this trip, but now I just need to find an ATM. Awesome. It seems to be Domino's. Domino's has got like a whole festive vibe going on, and you can like track whose pizza's getting ready. It's pretty cool. But there's a biryani place in the corner that has a long queue. I kind of feel compelled to join it. There's also toilets, and they're really nice. The biryani smells amazing. I don't know if you can hear me over this, but anyway, it smells amazing. So I'm joining the queue. Really nice man explains to me. It's the opening. Domino's is actually opening in Goodlands today. It's their 8th store in the country. And the first 50 people get like a voucher or something. Anyway, I'm still queuing for biryani. Ooh, Disco Lane. Biryani style. Do chicken biryani and it's 200 rupees. The plates she's dishing up are huge, so I'm going to get it to take away because there's no way I can eat that in one sitting. I was thinking fruit and something very sweet on top, but no, it's like salty and chili and sour and with some sweet. It's actually ridiculously nice. I have no idea what these little things are, but they got a pip inside. Oh, spicy. This, I must say, I am quite fearful. Ooh, I don't know what this is. But it's addictive. And this whole massive fruit cup was 75 rupees. Let's check out this biryani. It is so heavy. I mean, I can't show you, but it is difficult to lift. Oh wow. Look at this. It's in here. I mean, there's like chicken over there. This looks like a drumstick over here. This spicy biryani rice everywhere. And it's kind of like gooey. It's got like potato running through it. It's one of the nicest things I've ever eaten. And I'm just going to chow this in a hall full of people. I don't know if you guys have eaten there before. Tell me, is it normal? Yeah, I'm done for now. Wow, I ate a lot. The best biryani I've ever had. You need to try this. We meet a couple of fans today as well. Thanks guys, always love it when you come and say hi. Yeah, this place is pretty cool. I've already recommended that biryani. So now I'm on my way up the escalator. Oh, there's a little manju. So there's a Super U, they keep saying it's this way. Oh, it's not a big place, but I think it's got a good selection. It's pretty useful. Just by the Super U, there's a shop that sells like kids stuff and sporting goods and fishing rods and wetsuits and all that sort of thing. Despite there being a food court downstairs, there's still an oak cafe here at the Super U. It's quite nice. The layout is a little bit different inside the Super U. They got the, you know, kind of these aisles, but they're in a different order. They are as you come in on the right hand side, but they're in a different order to the one at Grand Bay. Check out all the weird snacks. The really big glass windows is quite cool, and then the fresh fruit and veg section. Oh my word! Yeah, it's massive. And there's really cool art everywhere in this mall. Keep an eye out. That was a lot of fun. Now let's find a bus stop back. At some point I'll be brave enough to go to the vegetable market. Today was not that day, but I'll get there. And maybe explore around Goodlands. The thing is that Brian and I lived here for a while, so it's got a lot of memories. So the bus stop to get you back is just opposite the one that you arrive on, but it's not marked in any way. In Goodlands you get a lot of the independent buses. They're pretty cool. For orientation, the rest of Goodlands is that way. This is the petrol station and the KFC, and this is where the Coeur de Ville is. Just opposite the Winners, which is where we used to do our shopping. Man, it would have been convenient. We lived just down that road. Yeah, they're brightly coloured, and I know that they're not my bus. The bus is like born to fly. Yeah, very obviously not TBS buses. So as that 82 bus went flying past me, it turns out they don't stop there. And as I follow the bus, I get a nice view of this beautiful church. The bus is still just ahead of me. Oh, I did just miss that bus, I couldn't catch him. But you get to see the temple. So much character. It's finally a TBS bus. But it's the 231 with those pointy cannoneers. Close to my house. About 3 k's away. I've been waiting for about an hour. For a bus. I've never waited so long. Anyway, I've got on this bus. This is the 83A. I know I can come from my house on the 83A. But apparently he doesn't go past my house. But he does go to La Cosette. So I'm like, take me to La Cosette. I'm about ready for a beer now. Oh, they're selling seedlings. How cool is that? Another hour on a bus. Oh wow, it's exhausting. Oh yes, starting to feel more alive. This is one of my favorite snacks to get at the Ocean Basket, the calamari starter. It's so delicious.